Good morning. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, March 25th, 2018, and it's weigh-in day. So it's been a crazy month with so many dance things going on and so much eating out, lots of restaurant hopping, loose tracking, not really doing keto the way that I preach doing keto, but I did stay keto. I did not go off keto or cheat or have carbs or anything crazy like that. So I consider myself to be successful for the month of March. So I'm a little nervous about the weigh-in because it has proven in the past that even when I feel like I'm getting into a pattern that I can count on, it doesn't always work out the way I want it to. This is supposed to be a big loss week for me according to my normal rhythm that has been going on, but we shall see what the scale says today. Let's get to it. So as you can imagine, I'm pretty happy with that number. I am so excited to be below 220. 217.8 puts me at a total loss of 156.2 pounds for my 64-week results. So if you're new to my channel and this is your first time watching a video of mine, I wanted to let you guys know that I started my keto way of eating weight loss journey January 1st, 2017 at 374 pounds. And today, of course, I weighed in at 217.8 pounds in 64 weeks. And I have also lost 154.25 inches in that amount of time. I have gone from a 4X top to an XL top. I have gone from a size 30-32 pants to a size 16-18 pants, which is pretty dang awesome. I am pretty proud of myself for sticking keto and losing 6 pounds in March. And even though that's my lowest loss for a month, I still consider that to be a huge success due to how stressful my life has been this month. Well, yes, this week, but especially for the last 4 weeks, it has been just go, 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 go without a rest. I was so tired yesterday that when I finally got home and I realized I had a few hours. It was like 6 o'clock when I got home, and I realized I had a few hours where I didn't like have something planned to do. And I literally just like fell on my bed and just laid there. I didn't go to sleep. I just laid there all night until we went to bed. It was long. 5 hours I laid there just watching TV, staring at the wall, whatever. I needed to decompress pretty badly. We just finished a Shakespeare production that my 15-year-old and my 9-year-old were participating in, and that was our last thing for the busy. Now this week I shall be preparing for Easter last minute and also figuring out my daughter's 5th birthday because her birthday falls on Easter this year, so I'm hoping to be able to plan her a really great party. I'm going to be sticking to my keto plan. I'm going to be going back to tracking my macros and getting back on target with that because I really don't have an excuse. But we do have 2 more dance competitions coming up. April 6th and 7th will be my 16-year-old's very first dance competition. And April 13th and 14th will be Utah State Championships for clogging. So I will eventually post the video. I took so much video of the last 2 competitions. I have so much to share with you guys, and I didn't get to my What to Eat Wednesday this week. I have it all there. All the footage is there. I'm gonna get to it. I promise. I need to redo the intro and the outro because it says on the intro and outro that it's Friday. Maybe I'll just leave that because it's kind of funny because I really did intend to get it done on Friday, and Shakespeare and everything else, it just didn't happen. So going to get that done for you guys though, because I want you to be able to see what I ate in March. You can go back and watch those videos and see, like, I ate a large amount of food. I know I overate my macros and I'm still losing. So that is fantastic. I'm excited. I mean, most days I'm guessing I hit 150 protein almost every single day. I know I did yesterday and I tracked. So I guess I'm getting kind of used to eating a higher protein, even higher than my macros, which are set at 120. So I'm going to try and rein that back in this next month for April, but we will see how it goes. It's still crazy, and I've still got a lot going on. So we'll do the best that we can do. But I just want to show you guys that even when you're dealing with a lot of strain and a lot of stressful situations and things like that, you don't need to turn to food in order to fix your problems. You can stay focused and you can stay keto and continue to lose weight despite whatever is going on up here or out there. So I'm excited. I'm going to be getting a new phone tomorrow, and I'm probably going to be doing all of my videos with my phone. It is just easier for me to set up my phone to record. I know it's not as pretty as when I do my DSLR, but it's just so much more involved to do it with that, and I feel like it kind of holds me back because I don't really have the motivation to do the whole setup to get that ready to go. So this just makes it easier for me to do it this way with my phone, and I'm going to be getting a new one that is supposed to be even better for vlogging. So I'm hoping that it's going to be great for us to have a new phone, both of us here shared. You know, like it's totally yours and not just mine. Whatever. I don't even know what I'm talking about. So I'm excited about that anyway. I'm excited to have a new toy to play with. So I'm feeling pretty amazing. I'm pretty comfortable in my body. I don't mind that my weight loss is kind of slowing down because I'm really comfortable where I'm at. I am smaller than I've ever been as an adult, and I'm enjoying every minute of it. And I don't mind if it takes a little while to get to my goal because I'm enjoying having fun buying new clothes and having people notice and things like that. It's been a lot of fun. So that's all I have for you guys today. I will see you again tomorrow probably, and if not, I will definitely see you Tuesday. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.